Good day everyone, I am Jesse Adrian Dayamonon, but you can call me Jess, and I will be your tour guide for today. Today we will visit the 15 facilities here in SDR Antigua State Campus. First is the gymnasium covered court, second is the parking lot, the third is the restaurant. But before we proceed, let's go to head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great! And here are some few reminders. First is observe the cleanliness. Second is respect the facility. And the third is stay on your group at all times. And if ever there are any emergencies, please call me on the given number on GC provided. So everyone, we have arrived in our first facility in SDR. Let's come inside. Our first facility in SDR Antigua Cainta is the gymnasium facility. The gymnasium facility plays a vital role in STI campus. SDR Antigua Cainta Gymnasium is a vital space for students like athletes, sports, school assemblies, or recreational programs, whether it's basketball or volleyball, school programs, and school activities. This ensures that the students can stay active and still engaged in our school. And now we are done in our tour in SDR Antigua Cainta Gymnasium. Let's proceed to the restroom in Building C. Now we have arrived in Building C. The second destination we're gonna visit is the restroom, or the facility we're gonna visit in SDR Antigua Cainta. This facility, or restroom facility, is a basic but important role in SDR Antigua Cainta. This shows the sanitation and health and comfort for the students. Here's one fun fact. Did you know that SDR Antigua Cainta supports the LGBTQ community? And they made the restroom for them, or designated for them, here in SDR Antigua Cainta, which will be found here in Building C. Well-maintained restrooms reflects on SDR Antigua Cainta commitment to sanitation and health comfort in SDR Antigua Cainta. And here is the LGBTQ restroom that supports LGBTQ students to gain their confidence. So we are now visiting the restrooms here in Building C. Now let's proceed to the parking lot. So we will cut our trip here in parking lot. Did you enjoy our trip? I hope you enjoy our trip. Again, my name is Jesse Adrian Dayamonon, but you can call me Jesse, and see you next time.